Stock Trading. Trading, the complete guide to investing in stocks, options, and Forex following proven methods. Written by Marcus Baumann. Narrated by Clem. The following audiobook is produced with the goal of providing information that is as accurate and reliable as possible. Regardless, purchasing this audiobook can be seen as consent to the fact that both the publisher and the author of this book are in no way experts on the topics discussed within, and that any recommendations or suggestions that are made herein are for entertainment purposes only. Professionals should be consulted as needed prior to undertaking any of the action endorsed herein. This declaration is deemed fair and valid by both the American Bar Association and the Committee of Publishers Association, and is legally binding throughout the United States. Furthermore, the transmission, duplication, or reproduction of any of the following work, including specific information, will be considered an illegal act, irrespective of if it is done electronically or in print. This extends to creating a secondary or tertiary copy of the work, or a recorded copy, and is only allowed with express written consent from the publisher. All additional rights reserved. The information in the following audiobook is broadly considered to be a truthful and accurate account of facts, and as such any inattention, use, or misuse of the information in question by the listener will render any resulting action solely under their purview. There are no scenarios in which the publisher or the original author of this work can be in any fashion deemed liable for any hardship or damages that may befall them after undertaking information described herein. Additionally, the information in the following audiobook is intended only for informational purposes, and should thus be thought of as universal. As benefiting its nature, it is presented without assurance regarding its prolonged validity or interim quality. Trademarks that are mentioned are done without written consent, and can in no way be considered an endorsement from the trademark holder. Introduction. Stock trading is taking on the world with lightning speed. It is potentially one of the most profitable investment initiations available in today's intensely volatile financial markets. Stock trading is not something you should enter into lightly. When it comes to stock trading or investing in stocks, most individuals are not at all prepared, or aware of what the Wall Street professionals have in store for them. We try hard to bring you quality articles and information so you don't have to search elsewhere. If you are a beginning stock trader or an old pro, you will find information here to help you understand your markets better. Take your time and read our site and see if you can better understand what it is you want to accomplish with stock trading and your financial goals. You also need to consider that in online stock trading and investing, being informed with real-time information is crucial. Most predictions are based upon past knowledge of the stock market, and examples of the market's past movements are used to give credence to those predictions. Determining market direction is the goal of any stock trader making predictions, as well as the time of the change in market direction. Everyone wants to beat the stock market as a stock trader and make a bunch of money, but only those stock traders that are very lucky or have a method of predictions of where the market is going will have a shot at it. When you are a real stock trader, the markets are your chessboard. Buying and selling stocks is fun when you make money, and not much fun when you lose money. Why not learn everything you can about stock trading and day trading at Avid Trader's Library? Doesn't it make sense, if you want to be an expert stock trader, to learn everything you can about stock trading? We have found that the best stocks for stock trading and day trading are the stocks that make up the S&P 500. These stocks generally have strong relative strength and absolute performance to the S&P 500 index. There are a number of strategies used by stock traders in order to accumulate profit. The most popular stock trading strategies are day trading, swing trading, value investing, and growth trading. All stocks are held for a very short time period. Chapter 1. The Basics of Stock Trading. The most important aspect of stock trading is to develop a stock trading strategy that suits your needs, expectations, and personality type. You need to look at your comfort level for risk. Are you looking to make short-term investments and stay on top of the market? Even your age affects the strategy you should use for trading stocks. Let's look at some of the most common.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?